Hi viewers, today we are going to discuss about Revit software. How to design a house plan in Revit. First of all, we have to open this Revit. This is our new software Revit. Here we have the options on project and families. In this, if you draw any type of buildings and designs, you have to select the project. And here you have to open. If you are already designed our previous design, if you are open it, we have to click on open. And now I don't want previous projects, I want the new project. I have to design a new project. If you click on this new, and architectural template is for buildings, construction templates is for structures. Next, this is our families. That means if you want any things like tables, chairs, gadgets like that, we have to use these families. So first of all, I want to take the projects and go to new option. In this we have the architectural template. If not, you have to take directly here as architectural template. Here it will be opening like this. Here it will be opening like this. These are our 4 cameras. Like this we have 4 cameras, these 4 are. And next here we have the options of architecture, structure, insert, annotate, analyze, massing and site, collaborate, view, manage and modify. In this we have different commands like modify as walls, doors, windows, components like this. And here all vertical wall, vertical door like this. And in structure also we have the beams, walls, columns, floor, trusses, braces like this. In structure we have the options of like this. And we are going to insert. Here we have to insert a file, insert file, images, manage files, manage images like this. Go to annotate. In this annotate we have to use the dimensions as aligned, linear, angular. For different types of dimensions we have to select the go to annotate. And along with this detail line, region, components like this. Next go to analyze. In this analyze we have the energy settings and enable energy mode. And massing and site. Here we have the views, that means shows like a site components, topo surface, parking area, a roof, wall, floor, curtain systems like this, different types. And in this collaborate we have to see the worksets and like this, show history. Here we have the copy or monitor option also. Next go to view option. In this view option we are mainly using this for 3D view. And here also we have the camera for video and walkthrough. Here we have the different templates, visibility, graphics and like this. Next go to manage. In this manage we have to manage the system with by using materials, project parameters, project units, shaded parameters like that. Next go to modify commands. In this modify we have the commands like AutoCAD, move option, rotate, copy, mirror image like this, offset, scale like this, all we are used in AutoCAD. Okay. So in this Revit also we have to see the all types of animations like where we use the different materials and how to saw that. And by using camera we have to create a video for that. And along with We have to see the complete structure before going to implement it in Revit. Okay. And here again I want to say like that the floor plan, we have the dimensions and view scale for that, and here we have the levels. Just click on levels, floor plans or something. Here we have the elevations of fixing one facing. Like I want to select it as east facing, it will be selected, and already two levels are given. What are those? One is ground level and another one is 10 feet above the ground level. That means this is our slab height. So again here we have the options of level. Just take a level. I want to take a one level. Having the distance of 3 inches or 4 inches. Why? Because this is our floor. And again here I want to take another one. It will be for window level, and another is for parapet wall. Click on escape like this. Here I have to fix the level name as ground level. Click on it. It will be changing like this. Are you observe? It will be clearly. Here in level 3 I want to take this as floor level. Sorry, level 2 will be floor level. Okay, that will be new. Okay, level 3 will be floor level. FL. Click on yes. And again here also I want to give the 3 inches. You see, when I give 3 inches, it will be 0 feet 3 inches. This is our floor level. And next, this is our window level. Click on yes. And this is our 3 feet height. Click on enter. It will be our 3 feet level height. Next, it is our 10 feet. Okay. Why? Because our slab level is 10 feet. Next, so here I want to change it as slab level. Next, here I want to take it as parapet level, PPL. Click on it, and here it will be 13 feet. 13 feet 6 inches. So these are the levels we are taking for horizontal lines like this. So after taking a levels, we have to take the walls. Why? Because I want to draw the building. That's why I want to draw the compound wall and interior walls, exterior walls like this. After that we are going to ground level. In this ground level I want to take first 1F wall. I want to take it as 40 feet. And it will be 60 feet. Again it will be Like this our exterior walls are taken. Okay, up to here our building outer walls. Again I want to take a wall from this midpoint. I want to change a 5-6 inches less than that. By using this we have to draw a plan, first of all 2D plan, and here I want to give a bathrooms here. Yeah, it will be 10 feet 6 inches and it will be 28 feet 0 inches. And next here I want to take another wall from here to here. Again I want to draw a wall here. Like this. First of all, this is all our 2D plan. These are my 2 bedrooms, and this is our hall, and this is our kitchen, and this is our veranda. Okay, the outer space veranda. In our next video, I want to tell about how to fix a doors and windows for this 2D building plan in Revit. Okay. Here we have the option of visual style. Here I want to go to realistic. Here you can go to view option. Here 3D render view. It will be like this. It will be our realistic. This is our wireframe. Like this we have to change the structure. When you press some shift, and it will be scrolling like this. Okay. In our next video we will continue this. Now it will be completed. Thank you.